Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get to it. So as you probably already noticed, I'm starting with a black canvas, negative space. I've already put paint on it, just black paint and water. I'm going to be doing a string pull. A little bit different, but we'll get to that in a moment. And I'll be using two colors on it, the neon pink and the neon blue. To the blue and pink, I've added some PVA glue and some water, and that's it. No other additives other than that. And so let's go ahead and get the string on there. Now I do have a bit of a knot in this string, but that's all right. Put this one up top. All right, so that's string number one. This paint out of the way, and now go with the blue, which of course is string number two. As I said, I am doing this a little differently than string pulls I've done in the past, because what I intend to do is not pull the string in just one direction, but pull in both directions. Both ends of the paint, the string rather, at the same time. And we'll see just what that gets us. Alright, so we've got that down, so we'll just give that a second and get this paint out of the way. Start with the pink, just because it's been sitting there the longest, and we'll see what we get here. Normally when I do a string pull, I do it in just one direction, so this is new for me. I've never done this in two directions before, and in fact I don't know that I've seen anybody doing it in more than one direction. So we'll see just what we get end up with here. We do have a bit of overlap there, but that's all right. All right, so there's the pink. Let's see what we get with the blue. Slowly moving it across the canvas, as I said, both ways at the same time. I kind of like how that looks. That's interesting. All right. Well, because I did not use any extra additives other than the water and the glue, there's not going to be anything crazy going on. No cell formation, things of that nature. So I think we'll just leave it as it is. So that's going to do it for me. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see all you wonderful people next time.